Good morning, student, and Jai Gurudev to all. Today, we are going to learn about the third element of directing, that is leadership. It is the third element of directing. Leadership is a process of influencing the behavior of people at work towards realization of specific goals, towards achievement of organizational goals. It involves minimum two peoples and they are willingly join the company. The influence should be to get the willing cooperation of the employees and not the forceful operation. जब आप किसी को लीड करते हैं तो वो विलिंगली होना चाहिए, एम्प्लॉयज़ भी विलिंगली आपको फॉलो करेंगे, फोर्सफुल नहीं होना चाहिए. The basic feature of leadership is it indicates the ability of an individual to influence others. Leaders always try to bring change in the behavior, and it shows the interpersonal relationship between leaders and their followers. It simply leads to achievement of goal, and it is also a continuous process. Again, I am repeating the definition is leadership is a process of influencing the behavior of people at work towards the achievement of organizational goals, towards the realization of specific goals. Next one is difference between leader and manager. The basic difference is manager is always a leader, but leader may not be a manager because they are leading the informal groups and they are leading the formal groups. The managers have formal authority to influence others, that is official authority, whereas leaders have informal authority, and only that is the authority of trust and faith. Third point, manager influence the behavior of the people towards the achievement of organizational goal, whereas leaders influence the behavior of people towards the of satisfaction of every members of the group and realization of group goal, that is individual goal and organizational goal. Fourth point is manager exists in only formal organization and leaders may exist in formal and informal both type of organizational. फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिलीट हो गया है इस ईयर में. फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर दोज टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वेयर द रिपोर्टिंग रिलेशनशिप डेवलप होती है, एक ऑफिशियल चेन बनती है, और इनफॉर्मल में कोई भी ऑफिशियल चेन नहीं होती है. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज मैनेजर परफॉर्म्स all the functions of management. Managers perform all the functions of management, that is planning, staffing, directing, controlling, organizing, and leaders perform only one function, that is directing. Next heading is different styles of leadership. Different Patterns of leadership. There are three patterns or styles of leadership. First one is autocratic leadership, second one is democratic leadership, and third one is free reign leadership, that is open handed leadership.